Hi, good evening everyone. Today we will be starting with the 135th scenario of Apex trigger. In this trigger, we will be avoiding the duplication of record. We will not be providing a validation message, but we will be adding the checks and we will be storing the count of how much the record is duplicated. So scenarios as such, if I talk about the contact, we have a phone field on contact. First thing that many sales reps do, they update the phone number in multiple formats like +919988 something. They add a bracket, they add a hyphen, and they add multiple formats for the number, which makes Salesforce organization difficult. First thing that we will be doing in our trigger is we will be normalizing our trigger in such a way so that a phone number get normalized in the digit format and it is easy to check if the number is matching or not. Second, we will be getting the count of number that is normalized. If that number exists in system, then we will be updating one checkbox as a normalized check is equal to true. If that checkbox is true, then there is multiple duplicates and with that number, and if that checkbox is false, this number is unique. Other than this, we will be keeping the count for the same phone number. So this is a duplicate trigger that many resources do, and you have seen multiple videos of multiple YouTubers here. But in this video, we will be understanding one step forward how we normalize the number in the format of Salesforce. So let's start with this trigger. So let's first understand the prerequisite so that we can start with our trigger. First thing, we need to create 3 fields here that we will be using. First field that we need to create is number field, that is duplicate count. In the duplicate count, we will be storing the number of phone number, that is number of contacts that are coming duplicate as phone number. Since we are only working with phone number, so we will be playing around with phone number only. So this is a field that is duplicate count. Second field that we need to check here is that is potential duplicate. This is a checkbox. This is marked as true. If there are multiple phone numbers available, we will be marking this as true. And third is basically normalized phone, in which we will be formatting our phone number in the digit format only. So let's start with our trigger. So the first question arises here is which trigger you will be using, before or after. Since we will be writing a trigger on insert operation only, so which trigger do we need to write, before insert or after insert? Since phone number is not making since based on our phone number we need to check if it is available or not, so we will be going for the before insert operation. So if I go on to my trigger, we will be writing before insert. So but I will be writing if trigger dot is before and trigger dot is insert, then in that case I have created a class that is contact handler. So what I will be doing, contact handler dot handle duplicate, and here I will be passing trigger dot new. So once it is passed, we will be saving this out. We will be copying the method name. This will not get saved because still we haven't created a handle duplicate method here. So what I will be doing, public static void handle duplicate. Here I will be taking list of since our trigger is on contact. So and here we will be saving new records. So once we are done with this, we will be saving our method, and once method is saved, we will be also saving our trigger so that we don't face any issue in the framework. So once we are done with this, first thing that we will be doing here is we will be normalizing our phone records. So what I will be doing, I will be writing a for loop for contact cont column new records, and further what I will be writing, if con dot phone is not empty, or we can do one thing, if the string dot is not blank. So it will work with the string where it will check if the phone number is not blank. Then in that case, what you will be doing, so one, it is not blank. So what we will be doing here, so we will be adding con dot normalized phone underscore c is equal to con dot phone dot replace all. These are all the methods that we use in the string. So what we will be doing, we will be adding not equal to sign. So if I talk about not equal to sign, this is a not equal to sign that we will be taking. So not 0 to 9. If the number is not equal to digits, then what we will be replacing blank. So let's take an example. If you are not doing it like this, then it will be replacing it to this. So let's first debug and let's first add. Let's take a string, that is phone is equal to, let's add 9988 plus 91 further bracket, that is 9898, and further hyphen. Then further what you will be doing, you will be adding some number, and further you are again adding some number. So let's save this out. So once this is saved, so let's add it into a string format so that we can play around with this number. So what I will be doing, I will be making string 2 is equal to phone dot replace all, and what I will be doing, I will be just adding bracket 0-9 comma quotes. So once we have done this out, and after saving, what I will be doing is system, I will be writing system.debug, and in system.debug I will be adding 2. So here it will be replacing these number with the spaces. So let's debug this out. Let's execute this highlight. So I think we have done some mistake. So phone.replace all, I think this also needs to be got into the colon. So I haven't taken this as a string here. So what I will be doing, I will be just executing it out. So once this is executed, you will be seeing here, if you go on to the debug only, then the digits have been replaced and just you are getting these. But if I don't want to replace this, I just want to do the vice versa of this, I will be just adding not equal to sign, that is a verb 6 number. So what I will be doing, oh my bad, I have just clicked Control S, I was in that format. So now if you see here, if you go here, you will be getting only the phone number that I have given. So you will not be getting this. By doing this, we will be converting our number into the phone number. So let's give it here. So since I have provided it like this, so what I will be doing, I will be adding a semicolon. So here the phone number has been normalized and you are only getting the digit. So this is a concept that I was telling earlier in the introduction of the video, that we will be converting this. Once this is converted, then again what we will be doing, we will be now taking a set of string where we will be storing the phones as equal to new set of string, and further after doing this, we will be again iterating on this loop on colon new records, and since this operation has already been done, since we are in the before insert, so what I will be doing, if con dot normalized phone is not blank, so we will be using the string as same string dot is not blank, and we will be adding the bracket here. Once bracket is added, then what you need to do, you need to add the phone normalized phone in this. So what you will be doing, phones dot add, what I will be doing, con dot normalized phone. Once this is done, we will be saving this out. Now we have a set of normalized phone. So now we will be doing the same thing, that we will be doing a query, and further we will be creating a map of comp. So what we will be doing, we will be making list of contact, that is, let's make existing is equal to, what I will be doing, I will be writing query select id comma normalized phone underscore c from contact where phone in, well, normalized phone, So since we are comparing on the normalized phone, we are not comparing on phone, we are normalized phone in phones. Once this is ready, we will be saving this out, and further we will be creating the map that will have my string, that is phone number, versus integer, that is count. So once we are here, we will be naming this map as count map and new map of string comma integer. So once we are done till here, so what we will be doing, we will be writing a for loop here for contact cont colon existing, and further what we will be doing, if count map dot contains key. What is the key here? That is cont dot normalized phone underscore c. Then what you need to do, you will be doing count map dot get cont dot normalize phone underscore c, plus you will be incrementing it by 1. Since the number that you will be doing, you will be just incrementing that by 1. If the map dot contains key, we will be just getting that value and we will be incrementing it by 1. So expression cannot be statement. So let's convert in better format. So let's make it in better format. So what I will be doing, count map dot put and further what I will be doing, I will be just copying this. I forgot to add this. What I will be doing, count map dot put, here I will be adding cont dot normalize phone underscore c comma count map dot get, it will give me the expression, and plus I will be incrementing it by 1. This is the line that I need to do here. So now it will get saved here, and in this line we will be just adding this. I will be, instead of this, I will be just adding 1 here. So I hope everyone is clear. If it doesn't exist, then we will be adding the count as 1, and if it doesn't exist, we will be adding 1, else we will be incrementing at 1 every time it gets. So once we are here, once this is ready, now we will be doing the final operation. We will be adding a for loop, and again we will be, since we are using before insert, we will not be doing any DML. So we will be picking trigger.new records. So since we have picked here, so what I will be doing, if count map dot contains key which, that is con dot normalized phone. So in this case what you will be doing, that is con dot duplicate count is equal to, we will be just getting count map dot get, and we will be just adding con dot normalized phone. So normalized phone will give me the number, this will give me the number, and con dot normalized phone, it is a string. No, I think that we have one more variable that I am forgetting the name. The phone is potential duplicate equal to true. So this is how we will be saving this out. Else, if it is not a case, then we will be just copying these 2 lines and let's paste it here, and here we will be doing 0 because it doesn't have any duplicate count, and here we will be doing it as false. So this complete our trigger. It is simple, but we have added 2 concepts. One is how to normalize a phone number here using a regex and not equal to sign here, and second, we are just using a map in order to update the count and update the boolean variable. So that's it from this trigger. So now it is a time to test our trigger. So I think the trigger has been saved. So now we will be going on to contact. So let's go here. Let's go on to service, and here we will be just adding a phone number, simple number. So let's add, since I don't think my phone number is added, so what I will be doing 988, and here we will be adding Sachdeva 1. So let's save this out. So as soon as we save this out, if you go here, so you will be seeing here the duplicate count is equal to 0 and potential duplicate is equal to blank, and your phone number is also normalized here. Okay, so you can hide this field from the page layout since we only needed this in the trigger. So let's leave it here. So what I will be doing, I will be making Sachdeva 2 here, Sachdeva 2 here. What I will be doing, 99-88-616 hyphen, I will be adding bracket like this, 793. So let's save this out and check if it is updating the record or not. So it is showing normalized phone number has been reduced to same number, potential duplicate is equal to true, and duplicate count is also coming as 1. Similarly, I will be making one more contact here. So let's add Sachdeva 3, and here what I will be doing, that is hyphen 9899988 hyphen, oh, we will be only giving hyphen 99-88 hyphen bracket 616 round bracket 793. So now let's check if this is also getting potential equal to true. So yes, it is also giving me potential duplicate equal to true, and now the duplicate count are coming as true. So this complete our trigger. If you like my content, also if you see here, the duplicate count is coming as true because we are writing a before insert trigger and the third record has not been inserted. So it is only giving the 2 number that already exist here. It is not counting this record. So this complete our trigger number 135. If you like my content, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more such content. Have a nice day.